Nuclear energy provides 10% of the world's electricity. There are currently more than 400 nuclear power plants operating in the world, and many are under construction, which will add about 15% of the current nuclear energy capacity. France uses nuclear power for three-quarters of its electricity. A number of countries use nuclear power to get more than half of their electricity, others more than a third, and so it is a significant energy source. If one were to compare the nuclear energy production by country, measured in billion kilowatt hours, one can see that clearly there is variation, with the greatest amount of electricity being provided by countries such as Canada, South Korea, Russia, China, France, and the United States. The United States is the largest producer of nuclear power, contributing more than 30% of the global total, far more than any other country. In the United States, there are almost 100 nuclear power plants in operation in 30 states, primarily in the Northeast, and output has increased due to improvements and renovations made on existing plants, despite the fact that there have been no new plants constructed in decades. Although there are a number of new plants which have begun planning or construction based on changing of regulations in diverse states, in 2017, two reactors which were under construction were canceled due to price overruns. Nuclear power has had and it continues to have a significant role in the United States for energy, representing about 10% of total energy consumption. And given that the United States is now an exporter of energy, where energy production exceeds demand, nuclear power plays a role in this as well. Because carbon dioxide is not released, it does not produce greenhouse gases, so it is the most significant source of energy, which is an alternate to fossil fuel use, which will aggravate climate change, exceeding wind, solar, hydropower, and other forms of alternate energy.